Hey guys, welcome back to Travel with Tyler. I have decided to go on my first backpacking trip ever. You guys have seen me out with this bag maybe once or twice, but I've never mixed it with hiking. But I kind of wanted to just show you the stuff that I'm bringing, and let me know in the comments below if you want a more in-depth detail of this gear. This is just going to be a high-level showcase of everything I'm bringing for one night. I'll probably forget something. This is the Osprey Atmos AG50. A little bit on the expensive side. I know that we try to do some budget stuff on this channel, but this bag will last me the rest of my life. I think it was like $300 at REI. It has a lifetime warranty. If it tears, rips, breaks, zippers fall off, bag blows up, they replace it free of charge. Or try to repair it. What's really good is it has a spot for a bladder inside for water, has a rain cover built in, and has a lot of support. I really like this bag. This will be my first time trying in this capacity though, so you guys will be able to see that. That's great. Speaking of water, I have a 64 ounce bladder here. Where I'm going, there is a lake, so because of that I'm bringing my Sawyer mini filtration system. I'll show you that most likely. But just going into my gear in no particular order, I have some trekking poles. Those are going to be super important for me as I get older. Here's my cooking system, a titanium cup. I have my MSR stove in there and some coffee for the morning. Here's my MSR fuel tank. This guy is a little 7.4. They make bigger ones, but this is great for backpacking. I have sunscreen, I have toilet paper, and the shovel if I need it. I have various snacks in here, also some fire starter stuff, matches. What else do I have in here? I have a light for my tent, some lint to help start the fire. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to start a fire up there, but I'd like to if I can. A little hatchet here. I have a basic first aid kit that I put together. Just use a Ziploc bag here. There's band-aids, there's an emergency blanket, alcohol pads, gauze, that kind of thing. Super useful when you're out by yourself. Headlamp for light. I have my sleeping system. This is a Nemo tensor insulated long wide. You've seen me use this in a couple of my videos. I would highly recommend this one. This is also on the pricier side. I think it was about $200 from REI, but again, it comes with a great warranty, and it's so far been the most comfortable ground pad that I've used so far. With that, I'm going to be using for the first time the Lynx 1 backpacking tent by Alps Mountaineering. This guy, I believe, was from Sportsman's Warehouse for $100. It's a one-person tent with a rainfly. I'll set it up the first time on camera. For dinner tonight, we're gonna have chicken coconut curry. It's super quick, really light. This is only 5 ounces. You just add hot water to it, makes it super simple. Believe it or not, this is my sleeping pad slash, it's more of a blanket. It's gonna be super hot, so I don't need anything that warm. This might even be overkill, but I couldn't find the stuff sack for it. This goes on the top of my bag here, and that'll work out great. I do have a change of clothes and a swimsuit because I want to go for a quick dip in the lake. I don't think it's going to rain, but this is just an outer shell by Black Diamond. I don't normally spend money on this kind of stuff, but again, this is going to last forever if you treat it well. And then kind of the heavier stuff, because I'm a content creator, is my electronics. So I have my drone here that I'm going to bring. I have a bag of random electronics, GoPro, light, stands and all that. And of course, what is recording me right now is my Canon PowerShot V1. I've really enjoyed having it so far. And then another important piece is your boots, hiking boots. These were actually given to me by a company, Nordiv8, for me to review. So I'm excited about that. It's a soft shell. They are waterproof. So I will be wearing these, putting them through their paces, and I'll have a review on that later. But it's super nice of them to send those out. So I think the order of business is to get all of that to fit into this guy. All right, guys. Well, we got her all packed up. I don't know how. This strap right here is missing the loop to click it in, so I wonder if I can talk to Osprey, and get that reset. Got a lot more fun adventures ahead, so if you're new, hit that like and subscribe button, and try to get out if you can. It's super worth it. Till next time, we'll see you.